KL Auto Garageന്റെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. എഞ്ചിൻ ഫുൾ അസംബിൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോ ആണ്. വീഡിയോ പാർട്ടായിട്ടായിരിക്കും അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ചാനൽ ആദ്യമായി കാണുന്നവർ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ കൂടി എനേബിൾ ചെയ്തു വെക്കുക.
Crankcase main bush. Ensure to keep arrow mark on bush towards flywheel. Hole on bush does not match with hole on crankcase. Fix the bush using bush pressing special tool. Crankcase oil seal. Fix the oil seal on crankcase using special tool. Balance a shaft ball bearing. Press ball bearing on crankcase using ball bearing. Push a special tool. Make sure numbering on bearing should be outer side. Head sub-assembly. Measure the free length both the valve retainer spring with vernier caliper. It should be 38.90 millimeters. Fix inlet and exhaust valve. Place both the bottom sheet. Fix one spring and spring retainer cap. Lock the spring with two half collets using special tool. Same way, fix another spring, retainer cap and lock it with two half collets. Apply oil on rocker shaft. Check O-ring for any damage before fitting. Assemble rocker arm fulcrum on head. Ensure both the oil circulation hole to be downward side. Place the both rocker arms. Ensure flat surface on fulcrum is parallel to rocker surface and press it with mallet. Hand tighten grub screw on fulcrum with 3mm Allen key. Injector. Always hold the injector by its body. Do not touch the tip of injector. Check for the O-ring. Replace if found abnormal. Fix the injector holding flange with banjo nut. Tighten the nut with 10mm spanner. PTO cover sub-assembly. Balancer shaft ball bearing. Fix the ball bearing in PTO cover with help of ball bearing pressing special tool such a way that bearing number should be on top side. PTO cover bush. Make sure to keep arrow mark on bush towards outer side of PTO cover and hole on bush matches with the PTO cover hole. Press the bush on PTO cover using bush pressing special tool. Needle bearing. Assemble the needle bearing in PTO shaft with help of needle roller bearing pressing special tool such a way that numbering should be top side. Oil seal. Fix tool oil seal in PTO cover facing opposite to each other with oil seal pressing special tool.